Hi everyone, welcome to Delta. This is your product manager, Daniel. Today we'll be talking about Delta human-machine interfaces, providing you a reliable and cost-efficient solution for controlling your system, even with remote access. On my hand right now, this is a 10-inch model. Depends on different customer needs. We also offer products between 4 inches to 15 inches. All different sizes of HMI have the same basic function. Besides that, for our 12-inch and 12-inch multimedia HMIs also offers a VGA port, supporting a real-time video function from the camera. In front of the HMI, we have the touch screen, and the front panel has IP65 water protection, making it very durable under all different factory conditions. Let's see the back of the HMI. Here we have the standard supply power with 24 volt. And we have 2 communication ports here supporting RS-232, RS-485, and RS-422. Besides Modbus, we also have Ethernet port here, which offers a different way to access HMI. And last, this is the USB slave port, which is for you to program the HMI from your computer with conveniences. There's also an SD card slot and a USB host port. Both of the slots help you to expand the internal storage of the HMI, helping you to store your recipe parameters or your history data. For the most important thing, for programming the HMI, Delta offers an open software, DOP-Soft. DOP-Soft provides a very user-friendly interface with a built-in image library, which is very easy for you to create a modern look of your HMI program. In order to extend its flexibility, DOP-Soft also offers Lua programming platform for you to add your system code into the background. Besides, in DOP-Soft, we have built-in connection driver for most major brand of PLC in the market. No matter you are using serial or Ethernet communications, it will be very seamless for you to set up communications between the HMI and the upper PLC. All the connection guides are also available online to help all our first-time users. What is more convenient is all our DOP-100 series offers the VNC remote controlling functions, allowing to use any third-party VNC software to have remote access to the HMI unit. So which means no matter where you are in the world, you can still check your alarm, check your histories, and operate your HMI unit. Thank you for being interested in Delta. For more product information, please visit www.deltaww.com. We will see you next time.